this video, we're going to be looking at 3 ways that you can secure income from your property whilst you're waiting for planning permission to be obtained. So if, like most property investors, you're looking for ways to build up your income, but you have to wait for planning permission until you can convert your property into its desired use, here's 3 things you can do to try and get an income in that interim period. Now, option number 1. Use your space as an event space. Now, this is really a really smart idea. There's events popping up all over the place, and networking, certainly post COVID-19, has become a really big public event all over again. And networking events are taking place all the way around the UK. So if you've got a commercial premises, perhaps a shop front for example, and it's in a good town centre location, why not think about renting it out as a networking space in the interim period? It's a great way to get an additional income, meet the local people of the area, and also gain some more notoriety as a landlord within that area. The second thing to consider is utilising it for Airbnb. Now, this could really work nicely if you've got a property where you're perhaps converting a residential home into an HMO as an example. But being able to get some short-term rent on that property could work really nicely. Again, location dependent, it could make more sense if you're directly near a rail station, or if you're in the middle of the city centre or close to where lots of events happen. But this can be a great way to maximise the amount of money that you can get from the property in the short term, whilst you're waiting for that planning to be put into place to convert the property into its future use. In this example, as an HMO. The third way that you can get a great income from your property if you're waiting for planning permission is to perhaps rent it out to a local production company. Now, we've done this a few times in the city centre of Newport in South Wales, where we have properties awaiting planning permission. Now, the beauty of being in Wales is that it is a big creative hub for lots of production companies making films and TV series. And we've rented our commercial units out several times to a local film production company that are making some short films and mini-series for ITV. Again, a perfect way of having the property maintained and used to its full potential whilst you're waiting for planning. For us, it was a great way of putting ourselves on the map in the local area once again, but it's a lovely way of being able to get that income and utilise the property for something a bit more significant while planning, or certainly the pre-app, is still in place. So there's 3 ways that you can use your property to get an income in the short term. That's not to say that this is a given for everyone or for every scenario, but it certainly is a great way to boost your income whilst you're waiting for things to take shape. If you do need any more help or support with your properties, feel free to reach out to us at Harvey Bowes for more tips, more tricks, and also creative ways that we can fund your deals. I hope you all have a great weekend. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Take care.
Looking to purchase a property for investment or development? Look no further. At Harvey Bowes, we pride ourselves in finding ways to make complex and niche deals work. Making sure to explore all the possible strategies and matching the right financing structure to the needs of each investor. Contact Harvey Bowes today. Property finance by investors, for investors.